Hello, this is Marlene with WTI, and here I am to talk to you about the TOPPIN Cordless vacuum. There are so many reasons why I love this vacuum, but I'm just going to share a few with you today. The first reason why I love this vacuum is because it is cordless. How cool is that? I get to vacuum my whole apartment without needing a cord or without needing an extension cord. So that is super neat. I also love all the different pieces that come with this vacuum, so it allows me to clean my house efficiently. I also love that this vacuum is super quiet. So that is a plus. And the best of all, it is lightweight. When I was looking for a vacuum, I was looking for something lightweight because I have problems with my shoulders, so vacuuming wasn't an option anymore. But I am so happy that I found this vacuum, so I'm able to vacuum again. So again, if you are looking for a vacuum that it is cordless, quiet, and lightweight, don't look no more. This is the vacuum for you. And that is my point of view.